let the truth speak to your heart. QuranQuh. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Raheem. 45. And on the day when he will gather them, it will be as if they had not remained in the world, but an hour of the day, and they will know each other. Those will have lost who denied the meeting with Allah and were not guided. 46. And whether we show you some of what we promised them, O Muhammad, or we take you in death, to us is their return. Then, either way, Allah is a witness concerning what they are doing. 47. And for every nation is a messenger, so when their messenger comes, it will be judged between them in justice, and they will not be wronged. 48. And they say, when is the fulfillment of this promise, if you should be truthful? 49. Say, I possess not for myself any harm or benefit except what Allah should will. For every nation is a specified term. When their time has come, then they will not remain behind an hour, nor will they precede it. 50. Say, have you considered, if his punishment should come to you by night or by day, for which aspect of it would the criminals be impatient? 51. Then is it that when it has actually occurred you will believe in it? Now? And you were once for it impatient. 52. Then it will be said to those who had wronged, taste the punishment of eternity. Are you being recompensed except for what you used to earn? 53. And they ask information of you, O Muhammad, is it true? Say, yes, by my Lord. Indeed, it is truth, and you will not cause failure to Allah. 54. And if each soul that wronged had everything on earth, it would offer it in ransom, and they will confide regret when they see the punishment, and they will be judged in justice, and they will not be wronged. 55. Unquestionably, to Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth. Unquestionably, the promise of Allah is truth, but most of them do not know. 56. He gives life and causes death, and to him you will be returned. 57. O mankind, there has come to you instruction from your Lord, and healing for what is in the breasts, and guidance and mercy for the believers. Say, in the bounty of Allah and in his mercy, in that let them rejoice, it is better than what they accumulate.